I'll be there by an hour. An hour, a hour. He is an honest man. An honest or a honest man. Lot of confusion whether to use a or an. Today we are going to learn all this. Namaste, I am Kumudini, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities, SSIT, Tumakuru. So what are these? An, a, the. What are they? They are articles. What do you mean by articles? Let us learn each one. So what are articles? Articles are the determiners. Then the question arises, what are determiners? Determiners are the words that use before the noun to modify them. But be careful, they are used before the noun. So how many types of articles are there? Students usually they say for me there are three. No, there are two articles. First one is definite article and the second one is indefinite article. So indefinite article and definite article. Which are the indefinite article? A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. When to use an, a, the we will learn today. So by the end of this session, you will be well versed the usage of a, an and the. So as I said, a and an are indefinite articles. So we will take one by one. First I will take it a. A is a definite article. When to use it? It's simple and easy because it should be used during the singular noun and consonant when the word begins with the consonant sound. So singular. Singular means one. So a girl, a bench, a boy, a building, a camera, a guava, a park, all this. Here you can see all these. The first letter begins with consonant sound and they are one. The next one article, indefinite article is earn. An. An. What do you mean an? It should be used singular vowel sound. Which are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. So when the words begin with this vowel sound, we have to use an. An ant, an aeroplane, an antelope. E, envelope, egg, elephant, ice cream, an octopus, an owl, an umbrella. So, I'll repeat again when to use indefinite article a and an. So, when it is a singular and consonant sound, a should be used. When singular vowel sound is there, we have to use an. Be careful, when there is a plural, we have to use the. You cannot say apple, an apple we should say. When it becomes apples, the apples. The next one is definite article the. The is used for the name of the titles of the newspapers, rivers, seas, oceans, holy books, nationalities, adjectives, superlative degree of adjective. So, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, the violin, the flute, the river Ganga, the mountains, nationality, the Indian, the holy books, the Bible, the Ramayana and all. Superlative degree, the fastest. Cheetah is the fastest. He is the smartest in the class. All this. And we should use for para awards also. The Paramavir, Chakra and all. And another usage of the is, I went to a shop and the shop was closed. So here we are using, we are referring to the same shop. So now the real twist in this is, here we have a list of words: European Union, US citizen, 1 rupee coin. As you all know, it begins all this E, U, U1. All these are vowel sounds. So E, A, E, I, O, U. But what should we use? Is it a or an? So, but I say a. Because, so here we don't say European, European. The pronunciation is U, Y-U, Union, US citizen, 1 rupee coin. This is the twist. If you understand this, university. We don't say university as an university, though it begins with the letter U, but we pronounce it as U. That's why what is the article used? The next one is R, honest, A, MA, NCC, MLA, MP. So here the first letter is consonant sound, H, but we don't pronounce it as R, R. And here honest, we don't pronounce it as honest. H is silent. Honest, we make it O, vowel, A, MA, MLA, NCC. So here what we have to do is H is silent, O is there, then we have to write the article an. And R, and honest, and A, and NCC, and MLA, and MP, MP, A. So the next one, I have told you should not use articles for 3. First one is proper noun, and second one you should not use for the abstract nouns. So, but here though USA, UAE, Netherlands, they are the nations, names of the country, proper noun we use the. The simple reason, the USA, the UAE, the Netherlands, because USA is made up of states, UAE is made up of states, that's why the USA, the UAE, Netherlands is made up of group of islands, the Netherlands. Hope you have understood all the articles. Thank you.